Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download the correct Mobills application on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, tap open your App Store and then go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Mobill and search. Look for this application and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the Mobills Budget Planner application. Mobills is a popular personal finance management app available for both iOS and Android devices. It offers various features to help users track expenses, manage budgets, and stay on top of their finances. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, which is gonna take a couple of minutes, and you will be able to open the app right on your iPhone. So that is how you can easily download Mobills Budget Planner app on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Goodbye till then.